Hey guys, if you have been following my channel for a little while, you know I am extremely excited about this little package here from Xanvus Neon. We ordered it at the beginning of the month. We did our custom logo of it, so you get to see our beautiful faces on it. And we have not opened it up yet. We wanted you to join in and get to see exactly what we get to see. So let's get after this thing so that way you don't have to sit here and listen to me ramble. We found Xanvus Neon on Instagram. That was the first place we ever saw them. And their neons look freaking fantastic. I can't say they're cheap because they are not. Yeah, this custom one was probably more expensive than some of the other ones. Hopefully, you know, this year, maybe next year, they have a bunch of Christmas ones, and I'd be totally stoked to get some of those. Looks like they wrapped this thing up pretty good here. It took, I think we ordered it around the 2nd. So took about a month, a little bit less, or 3 weeks. Let's see, this is the 3rd week of October. So yeah, about 3 weeks from start to finish. But you pay that much money, you want it to be done right. You don't want some junk coming in the mail and waste your money and then piss and moan about it for the next 3 years that you wasted your money. So, all right, box in a box in a box. Yeah, Masonite right there. All right, so guys, it's freaking awesome. Little remote there, wireless. So we'll see what that does here. You know, so this would have been better, right? Most likely. Hangers for everything. Like they're metal. Oh, that's fancy. Of course, standard power supply. Get that going. I can already tell now this thing is freaking sweet. But maybe it's my vanity. I just like looking at my family. All right, that looks like it of this stuff here. So let me toss that out of the way. We're almost there. Now what they printed this on was an acrylic background. So it's all like a clear glass type of deal. And they're rated for businesses. But I see a lot of their ads and a lot of the stuff for home use. Man, that is freaking nice. All right, y'all want to see this little puppy before I plug it in? And I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's like a 1/2 inch thick or so around everything. So the plexiglass is pretty thin. I mean, it's stout. It's not like thin, like junky or nothing. I mean, it's stout enough to hold everything. And backside just has some little wires coming through. So you want to see what it looks like plugged in? And if you heard, that is Angel recording me today. Usually I am behind the camera because good night. Yeah, no doubt. Man. Look at that thing. So we got some brightness on here. Boop, 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 boop. Nothing. Maybe there's a little thingy in here. Oh, little thingy like no battery. Yeah, ain't no battery to help, so Oh, this is for LED controller. Maybe that goes in the middle. Not really any instructions in the box. I guess you wouldn't really need them. But no battery, so we're not going to be able to check any settings. Oh, here's instructions. Shouldn't be a big deal though. Regular old battery shouldn't be nothing. But anyhow, there's some mounts here, little holes, so you can mount it up against the wall. We are actually going to use this in our camper, so if you go through the campground and you see this lit up in the window and you don't come and say something to us or throw something at us or something, you know, I'll be highly disappointed because that'd be a big waste. So anyhow, thanks for watching Xanvis Neon. This is freaking spectacular.
Good job.
That's good. We love it. Maybe send me a battery. Get that. That's awesome. Thanks for watching, guys. We appreciate y'all tuning in to all of our crazy, silly videos, our fun videos. We just want to keep it light, keep everybody happy and having a good time. And we'll see you in some shorts on this thing.